The Ferrari 458. It's a masterpiece of design and engineering, embodying the true Ferrari racing heritage. With design aspects, high performance, and a beautifully designed body style, the 458 is more than just a car. It's an entire experience. But even with a masterpiece like the Ferrari 458, the media in the car, it just sucks. Here at Accessories International, we've taken note of the lackluster performance of the media in the Ferrari 458, and we've worked directly with DMP Car Design to bring you the latest 5-inch digital dash upgrade and CarPlay module for your Ferrari 458. Two products will serve a completely different function on your Ferrari, with the 5-inch digital dash replacement acting as a direct replacement to the two original factory screens that come inside of the Ferrari. This replacement screen will solve the commonly known notorious issue on the OEM Ferrari screens of the dead pixels and scratches, while the CarPlay module will serve as a digital media enhancement, giving you CarPlay on either the OEM digital media screen on the right side of the Ferrari dash or on the new DMP replacement screen. We'll begin the installation by using a trim tool to begin to remove the dash panel trim. Once the trim piece is removed, you can remove the instrument cluster and then proceed to open it with the screws located around the cluster. Once it is open, get your new DMP replacement screens and replace the old damaged screens with these new DMP replacements. Once this step is complete, you can then install your CarPlay module with an easy plug-and-play installation to integrate CarPlay into the new DMP screen. You can also do this step with the original screen if you do not need to replace it with the DMP screen. At Accessories International, we're a family-owned and operated business that has been doing this since 1998. If you have any questions during your install process, you need guidance, support, whatever it may be, we have a full team based out of Miami, Florida, who are here to answer any of your questions. Call us, email us, WhatsApp us, whatever it is, we're here to help assist you. We also give you a full video guide on all of these products for your new DMP Ferrari products to give you a really easy install if you're doing it yourself or if you're taking it to a local Ferrari dealership or shop that's going to do the job for you. You can always give them our contact and our install videos, which we provide to you after your purchase to help guide them through that process. My name is Alex at Accessories International. If you have any questions for us, call us at 786-242-5400. I'd like to thank you for tuning into our video today, and we'll see you next time.